Hi everybody, I'm Rachel from Mrs. Rachel Brady. I've got 3 kids aged 8, 6 and 4 months, and I blog and vlog about family, food and home. We live here in the Peak District in a renovated farmhouse. We've got a dog and 2 cats and we're very, very happy. Today's video is a Rug Doctor cleaning machine review and also a bit of a chit chat about how I feel about kind of cleaning and mental health. So if that sounds interesting to you, then why don't you keep watching? So before we jump on into the Rug Doctor review, I just wanted to have a really quick chat about the angle I want to take on this video, and it's to do with how I feel like cleaning relates to mental health and feeling good. And I think it'd be very easy to kind of criticize bloggers who do like cleaning videos and things like that, but there's been a big growth in popularity. Some of my most watched videos are cleaning videos. My theory on that is, not only does it motivate you to do a bit of cleaning when you watch a cleaning video, I also think it's relating to our collective mental health. I think I find cleaning great therapy, and I think other people do too. And that is one of the reasons why I agreed to do this video. Believe it or not, hand on heart, where's my heart there? I was genuinely about to go and rent a Rug Doctor and just have a bit of a, it's not quite spring yet, is it? It's still winter, but a bit of a post-Christmas rugs and carpets clean. And then serendipitously, I got an email from Rug Doctor and they said, can we send you one of our machines? Because you can now buy a Rug Doctor, would you believe? So if you're really into your cleaning, you might want to check out the link in my description box. Yeah, and I was like, yeah, definitely. So I've really enjoyed myself today. I had a terrible night's sleep. Stanley is going through a sleep regression, and it has made me feel better cleaning the rugs, cleaning the carpets. The house smells fantastic. The machine was really easy to handle. I'm awful with manuals and instruction booklets, but I kind of read it a little bit. I kind of read it. I always do that. And it was really easy to get to grips with. So without further ado, here is some footage of me cleaning with the Rug Doctor.
So here I am unboxing the Rug Doctor. It was a big old box, but I easily managed to lift the machine out, and they also were good enough to send me lots of really lovely products that were really effective. This is me perusing the manual, and when I say peruse, I only looked at it for a couple of minutes. So here I am, I'm about to get cracking, and I'm just about to show you the mechanism that allows you to tilt the bar back and forwards really easily. That is the tank where you put your hot water and cleaning products. So you easily lift it out of the machine, and then you put your clean water, hot clean water, into the tank up to the fill line, along with some Rug Doctor detergent, and it even comes with a handy measuring cup. So you pop that all in, screw the lid back on. It's really straightforward, and then it slides very, very easily into the main machine. And then all you do is switch it on and off you go. You can tilt the handle back like I showed you before, and I got into a bit of a groove, kind of rolling it forward and then dragging it back. And I just wanted to show you in a bit of a close-up all the dirt coming up. It is so, so satisfying. So here I'm just going to show you, that was from about half of the rug. I mean, you have to empty it a couple of times per rug, I would say, which was a surprise, but you don't mind doing it because it's so satisfying. This is the rug where I had cleaned, and that's the rug where I hadn't cleaned. I just wanted to show you the difference. You can see that really clearly, can't you? How clean it is. And then I moved on into my middle room. This is me just moving the main muck culprit out of the way and the coffee table out of the way. And again, I just cracked on, rolling it forward and then pulling it backwards. I mean, that was just the technique that I got into. And this carpet in here, the rug in here, doesn't get as much muck, I wouldn't say, particularly on the middle of it, but on the outer edge it does. I hope you can see there how clean that has come up. I mean, it's quite a kind of distressed old look to the rug anyway. That's intentional, but it really did come up really nice. This is the rug in the main TV room. It gets a lot of hammer, and I gave this a really good going over. Again, so much muck came up. I emptied the machine a couple of times per rug. So satisfying seeing all that muck coming up. Again, just rolling it forward and dragging it back. It really is very, very easy to get to grips with this machine. And here is the main culprit of all the muck. Yes, he looks innocent, but he's not. And the other two are here, not to mention, of course, the children. So after I did my rugs, I actually decided to go on and do my carpets. I've got carpets on the stairs and upstairs. As I say, don't judge me because I'm just not a clean freak when it comes to my carpets and things. I do, you know, it's ridiculously pointless to be a clean freak if you have children and animals. Anyway, it was very satisfying to give them a good going over with the hand tool here. You basically squirt the spray out and then it has a sucking motion. You can also get the spray on any stubborn stains, of which there are lots in our house. There you go, there's one there. I think that was from a dead bird that the cats brought in the house. You can go over things but they never fully come up, you know. So I felt like the rug doctor really got to grips with a lot of stubborn stains that had been lingering for a while. As you can see, it's light enough to move up and down the stairs. It is fairly heavy, but it's perfectly liftable for someone like me. I added a bit of Zaflora to the detergent, even though the detergent does smell really nice. It's quite a subtle smell, it's not really strong. So I thought it would be nice to add a bit more of a scent. That's a stubborn stain there outside one of the kids' bedrooms. So I gave it a good spray and then went over it all. And your carpets are wet after you've been over them. But it was dry by the next day completely. It took a few hours to dry off, I would say. And yeah, I went into my bedroom and I sprayed all the area where I'd like dropped pieces of makeup and things like that. It brought the bedroom carpet up really nice actually, and then I just went over the main areas, the main thoroughfares. It was really very satisfying. The little bits of dirt are actually hair that's coming off the spinners. That is just the flick switch. That's a tool switch and that's a carpet switch. It's so simple. Again, there you can see the hand tool just going over any like little stubborn stains. And that was the next day when the stairs dried off. And then also on the landing upstairs, remember that such stubborn stain, that's gone too.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me clean up with my rug doctor. You may not want to purchase a rug doctor, it's quite a commitment, but I honestly think if you're into your cleaning and you have carpets and you kind of want to give them a longer life, because with kids and dogs and cats and stuff, it's inevitable that you have stained carpets, like it's inevitable. I have quite low standards for my carpets, but this has really spruced them up and it's made the rug, I'm looking at one now, the rugs look so much brighter. It was so satisfying seeing all that dirt going down the sink. If you enjoyed the video guys, give it a thumbs up if you did, and that's all for now. Bye!